In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SimplePractice Telehealth. By the end, you'll have telehealth turned on so your clients can choose a video visit and your account will show a dedicated video office location. We'll keep it simple and clear. First, sign into your SimplePractice account. Use a modern web browser and make sure you have the right permissions to change practice settings. If you're part of a group, you may need an administrator role to complete these changes. Once you're logged in, head to Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find Settings in the main navigation. From there, select My Practice and then open Practice Details. This section controls your practice-wide preferences, including how clients see your locations and the options available to them during scheduling. In Practice Details, scroll to the Telehealth section. Here, you'll see a button or toggle that says Turn on Telehealth. In some versions, it may say Enable Telehealth or Enable Video Office. The wording can vary, but they all do the same thing. Click that option to activate telehealth for your practice. Enabling this feature tells SimplePractice to offer a video visit option and to prepare a virtual space where sessions can take place securely. After enabling telehealth, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. Saving is essential. Without it, the setting won't stick. As soon as you save, SimplePractice automatically creates a video office location for your practice. You don't need to build anything manually. This is generated for you. What does that mean in practical terms? When clients view your available locations or book an appointment, they'll now see a telehealth or video visit option alongside your in-person locations. Internally, you'll see that video office location listed with your other practice locations, which is your confirmation that telehealth is active. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the telehealth section, refresh the page or sign out and back in. If it still doesn't appear, check with your account administrator to ensure your plan and permissions include telehealth. Also, remember that good lighting, a stable internet connection, and a quiet space improve the telehealth experience for you and your clients. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to settings, enabled telehealth, and saved your changes, and now your video office is ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get telehealth up and running in SimplePractice quickly and confidently.